Has this happened to you before? You go to dispense some material out of a previously open urethane resin container of the Part A, and the lid is shut and stuck and it won't come off. This is due to the material crystallizing around the lid and the thread around it, and now the lid just won't come off unless you use a tool. The only thing that we can do at this point is use the channel lock pliers. These are adjustable, so you can adjust and open many size different containers, and then slowly and carefully get this unlocked, and be careful not to damage the thread or the cap itself, because we don't want to do that. As you can see with the channel lock pliers, we're also able to open up the larger lid that's on the trial unit. So after we open the container, we're gonna clean the spigot or the nozzle and the cap itself. For that, we're gonna use some isopropyl alcohol. Simply use a paper towel. Clean the cap itself. Now keep in mind that the crystallization will not take place on a brand new unopened container. It will happen on open materials that have been dispensed and the lid was not cleaned. And clean the nozzle or the spigot on the container. Make sure there's no material left on here. After cleaning the nozzle and the cap, we're gonna use some universal release agent and spray it directly into the cap. And then we're gonna take a paper towel, spray it with the universal release, and also apply it onto the spigot so that in future, any of the resin will not cure on the cap itself. Now, before shutting the lid, we're gonna put this with a crack on there, and we're gonna spray the extended into the can for about 2 seconds. 1001, 1002, and shut the lid tight. Keep in mind, you don't wanna shake the extended can. Always keep it upright and straight. Now, what the extended is going to do is create a dry gas blanket inside the materials container and protect it from reacting to any atmospheric moisture. Now, this is an issue that happens with the Part A of urethane materials, and it can happen in the trial unit, a gallon, or even larger containers. Now, what you want to do is follow the best practice and clean the lid every time that you dispense the material. For smoothon casting and molding materials, please visit any one of our distributors around the world. Now, if you have an idea about what we should do next, please let us know down in the comments below. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. To keep up with our latest mold making, casting, and other videos, remember to subscribe.